when you're not ready for it, God won't give it to you.
Mm-mm.
He's actually preparing you with all those losses that I've experienced. He's actually preparing me for a bigger responsibility that I'll be ready and prepared to
Mm.
take on.
What is something you've learned about losing that winning never taught you?
It's to separate my worth from the outcome. Before I actually get to win a title, sobrang dami ko ng losses na pinagdaanan. The first one was really frustrating for me. My mindset that time is, no, hindi pwedeng ito yung outcome. It was my first time.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pwedeng talo ako. That's why I tried again and again and again. So when I got used to losing, parang nasabi ko kanina na I'm a person na sobrang easy ko lang mag-let go ng mga bagay-bagay. So I started to realize that losing is not actually a loss. It's my training ground to prepare myself. Kasi in life, I learned that when you're not ready for it, God won't give it to you.
Mm-mm.
He's actually preparing you with all those losses that I've experienced. He's actually preparing me for a bigger responsibility that I'll be ready and prepared to
Mm-mm.
take on. And hindi ako magiging successful sa career ko if hindi ko pinagdaanan lahat ng losses na yun. Because preparing for an international and national pageant is so hard. It takes a lot of heart. It takes a lot of strength talaga. And not just physically, but mentally.
Mm-mm.
Because same with my experiences with Miss Teen Philippines. If hindi ko naranasan na i-compare yung sarili ko sa iba,
Mm-mm.
I'll lose in Binibining Pilipinas because the caliber of the girls there mas
Mas
high
higher.
talaga. Yeah, compared to Miss Teen Philippines. So I realized that losing it's not about you not winning the crown. It's about what you learned every time you lose. It's about the courage to rise again kasi hindi madali. Like, it takes a lot of confidence to try again after you lose, because by then you'll be in so much pressure, not
Mm-mm.
just from yourself but from the people around you.